Hey, how you doing? I am Areatha Anderson, your realtor, relocation specialist, and trusted advisor. By the end of this video, you will know what a credit score is and why it is important to you. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that way you'll be able to see every single video that I pop up, and it'll pop up on your phone. You'll be able to check out the new tips and updates that I send your way. Today's topic is what is credit and why it is important to you. So, first, when you are a United States citizen, whether you're born here or you have a green card, you are given a Social Security card number. Now, that Social Security card number is tied to your name and your pretty much your existence in the U.S. Now, what happens is that you are able to be given the capability to borrow funds using that Social Security number based off of your credit. So, at this point, you definitely want to make sure that if you definitely have a Social Security number in the US, you want to make sure that you check through the bureaus to be able to see what you're scoring and what is on your report. Now, you can be able to do this by going directly to one of the three credit bureaus that do report through the credit bureau. They are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Now, building and maintaining a healthy credit score and history is important. Reason why is because the quality of your credit score can have a far reach and affects your daily life. For example, if you're going to a lender to get a credit card, or if you're going to a lender to get a vehicle, you're going to a lender to get a personal loan, business loan, or even like myself as a realtor, we typically run into where a lot of the times, most of the time, all the time, you're going to have to get your credit information as well to be able to buy a property using a mortgage loan as well. So definitely, in addition to the lenders and credit card companies checking your credit, insurance companies, landlords, utility providers, and also potential employers as well, you definitely want to make sure that you keep track of your credit score and report, as well as make sure you make some productive choices to be able to make sure your credit score and report goes up, as well as maintain a healthy status. Credit can actually mean a couple of things. It can be a contract between a lender and a borrower that says you borrowed X amount of money or something of value that you do need to pay that lender back at a later date. Sometimes interest is included as well, and usually that typically is discussed upon the agreement. For example, car loans and buying dinner with like a credit card. Those are definitely through a financial institution that has provided you that loan or card that it was extended to you in credit. Now, closely related to that definition of the credit is one of all of those are definitely what we're talking about here, is when we encourage you to build good credit, we're literally talking about your financial reputation. I literally heard Robert Kiyosaki literally say where your financial your credit score and report is literally your financial credit card. I mean, excuse me, for your financial report card. So that is literally what it is, establishing your trustworthiness through the buyers and having a history of paying back the money that you're owed and on time and making sure that it's a timely matter. So if you're in good standing credit, the likelihood of a lender or a credit card company giving you more funding is definitely higher, and they're more likely to agree with lending you some funds versus you having a poorer or less satisfactory credit score. They're more than likely going to deny you and giving you additional credit. So your credit history is definitely documented in credit reports, and it is compiled again into three bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Lenders share borrower information with these three agencies to ensure that all lenders can see the potential borrower's credit worthiness. In addition to the three digital numbers, your score helps tremendously and is definitely determined on how you are repaying your loan. So credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. 300 would be poor, 850 would be excellent, and it's definitely fluctuate based off of your financial activities and behaviors and different circumstances of how much you owe and how much you have paid in that timely manner. Now, if you have any further questions when it does come to credit, I do highly encourage you to speak with your banker. Whether you're looking to buy a property, or even if you're looking to buy a vehicle, or even a smaller purchase and just looking to get a credit card, I highly encourage you to definitely check your credit. Definitely speak with a creditor or borrower, creditor or a lender, preferably a bank, so that way they can be able to give you specific information to your specific situation. Everyone's situation is different. So if you found this information useful, please feel free to click that like button, share with others, as well as leave a comment if you have any questions or you have some concerns and you want to know a little bit more. Don't hesitate to reach out. I am here and I'm more than happy to help and answer any questions. And definitely feel free to check out my other videos. I definitely bring more value to you in the other videos that I have talking about other topics or similar topics as well. Thank you for checking out my video to the end, and I hope you have a great day on purpose.